Hello everyone, this is Ralph Amello with the Ron Sawyer Team and RE/MAX Prime. And today we're going to be talking about what to expect during a listing presentation. If you hire somebody like me or look to interview, what we're going to do is we're going to come over. We always start to take a tour of the property, take a look around and go over what you've done to the house or some items that may need to be addressed or not addressed, and kind of have that chat as we walk about the house, and you show me the really cool things that you've done to it or the things that we need to discuss. Typically then we find a spot where we'll sit down and kind of go over, me and the team or the agent that's, coming to meet you and our team approach, the benefits of using us as the Ron Sawyer Team and what our marketing strategies and approaches will do to help you list the property and ultimately get it sold. After that, I always like to open it up for some questions. I mean, obviously it's your house that we're selling. This is something that we do every day, so we want to make sure that you're on the same page as us and that you get everything answered. So we take a little bit of time there to go over the process a little bit more in depth, what happens from when you get listed to on the market to getting a contract to close. We like to give a lot of information and go over that with you as well. After that, that's the part that everybody really likes to wait and hear about. Then we start talking pricing and marketing strategy. So with the pricing, obviously we look at the most comparable homes in the nearby area. Sometimes we have to go out of that area, and that's part of our job to do, and then come back and give you that correct pricing strategy that we think would be the best for you and your home. We'll go over some of those options with you, see which one you like, and then from there we go over listing paperwork with you, answer any more questions you got, and then get you into the marketing phase. So we call the photographers, get that all set up, and go from there. So in a nutshell, that's what's to expect from a listing presentation. If you have any questions, we'd love to go over that with you. So please feel free to give us a call. Again, I'm Ralph Amello, Ron Sawyer Team RE/MAX Prime. Look forward to helping you out.